Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 video recording not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now here in apps, scroll down and click on camera. And after opening camera, scroll down and here click on force stop. Now click on OK to confirm and then click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. Now here click on delete to confirm, and after that go back to settings and then click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.